UHD AU 7700.
Mashariki wa kaskazini
163 centimeter. Who is it going to be? And now, one person walks away with the 65 each. Dreams are valid.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, ticket number 0087.
0087.
Ticket number 0087.
Ticket number 0087.
Niwe mam. 0087.
Uni kupita alikuwa anapita.
Acha tu apite.
0087.
Nakwambia leo match ya Arsenal itaweza mbaya. Wewe. Hii TV inaona match za Arsenal peke yake. Ukiweka Manchester inaweka soap opera. So
Joki Waburo kuja upeane television.
Well done.
My sister for many years, always good to see you.
Joki Waburo uko Kena FM Joki Buru.
Wow, congratulations my brother.
Chukue hiyo kitanda.
Hapana nijipini kewe.
Besides sawa. Asante sana.
I know you feel good for Christmas, eh? What do you feel?
I don't know even what to say.
Me too.
Na umenunua shamba tayari?
Nishanunua.
Kamaliza? Pesa amemaliza. Thank you so much and God bless you. Haya sasa nipatie.
Shake mkono ya Joki.
Shake hands, there you go. Nice.
Siulie kidogo.
Asan. The whole family please come.
Na mukimbie.
Just call them out.
The whole family.
Frank Davis, Mama Frank, na Natalie.
Frank Davis, Mama Frank na Natalie. Mko wapi na kitu
Mama Frank
kikubwa?
Aki Kikuyu man. You'll never call your babes. Vile sisi Waluya tunajidaingi romantic. Ati Mama Frank hapo wapi? Mama Frank is okay. Hey, hii TV ni kubwa itaona na hizi macho zote. Hizi macho ni nyingi. Kila mtu anachukua space yake.
Hata waongezee familia.
Imagine.
Kila mtu idiot.
Mam, wachana na hii, kuna ile kubwa.
Hii ni familia yako yote?
Hujaomba? Hujaomba?
This is so good.
It's a beautiful family.
Imagine daddy just got a TV. What do you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. Pigeni makofi. Thank you.
So you only watch Mr. Right, eh? Yeah.
Mr. Right peke yake, eh?
Hiyo na Dr. Foneke tonight.
Wow, congratulations.
All right.
You as a family. Si Christmas yenu imekuja mapema. Si mmesikia vizuri. Na mwaka mpya pia itakuja na mabaraka mingi. Thank you so much and God bless.
Just get close to the TV, get close to the TV, get close to the TV.
Na mikono muwekele TV.
Na mwekele. Hii hata stima ikipotea pia itazima tu.
Sawa. Wekele mikono hapo na tuombe.
Mlikuwa mnafikia ati niko na encouragement. Thank you so much as well. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting into the main prize this evening. The next winner is walking away with a KDM 257C Master Demio. Oh my God.
This is it now, ladies and gentlemen. Come at the time, come at the hour. This is it now.
They go with the car by Mazda. They celebrated.
Who is it going to be? Is it going to be you? Yes, it's going to be you.
Aki Jeff. Ati amesema ati kama kuna mtu anakunua TV sahi.
Nani huyo?
Aki nyinyi watu wa mlimani nyinyi. Ati
auze.
Ati nani anataka kununua TV sahi? Aki seriously.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Now, who is it going to be? Is it you? Is it me? No, it's going to be you who will drive away this master.
Ladies and gentlemen,
now
I want to call for the gentleman near the tree in the white shirt. The gentleman near the tree in the white shirt. Kindly come. Yes, sir. Mr. Sagana, yes, you're the one, sir. Yeah. What? Teresa? Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get into the climax of this evening, I'm telling you. Remember once again, 2.95 million. You walk, of course, to a quarter acre. Over here, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. You'll be doing us the honors of drawing out the first winner of the brand new Master Gym here. Yes. Someone is going to roll this thing, and then you're going to fold up your shirt, yes, and then you're going to dip your hand in there, and then you're going to pick up one ticket. Oh.
So that's an 8th, ladies and gentlemen. All right, hello, sir. You okay? So we...
Yeah, I'm okay. Yes.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. I'm very ready.
Have you bought a plot here? Have you bought a plot here?
Of course, I have 2 tickets.
2 tickets?
Yes.
Man.
None of them have got anything.
But again, now at least you'll have the privilege of drawing out
Nothing of his ticket has eaten.
the final winner
Lord.
of the grand prize, right?
Lord.
Yeah. Let's wait for the BCLB officials to come and guide us.
Kitambo kuja nikataka jamaa anaitwa Sami Irongo na Michael Mureithi waende wa register pale. Ati wamechukua zawadi zao.
Ndio Kihenjo natembea nikijinusa kama niko na harufu ya mbuzi. Ati oh my god, useleba na nuka mbuzi. Kumbe wase unuka hivi.
Ndio wapi kumerone buliwe. Ukianza alime. Haki. Tunajifanya best ya mbuzi hapo. Kumbe ni mnuko. Na mbuzi na amedhugumira. Alafu mbuzi imerudi kwa mti yake.
Yaani uamini ni hii. Unaona ni hii?
Ni tamu sana bwana.
Nzuri sio?
Kabisa kabisa, mguu mpya, mataa mpya. Lakini hata ndani iko mpya, sijaingia.
Tutaangalia, lakini hatuwezi kuangalia saa hii.
Kabisa kabisa.
Tungojee tuone ni nani ambaye atakuwa akabidhiwa funguo.
Atakuwa very lucky.
Ingekuwa ni wewe ungefanyaje? Ungefikiria ungefanyaje?
Ningeshukuru Mungu sana na niseme hii ainuliwe kabisa.
Ainuliwe.
Alright.
Niseme hii project iendelee vizuri.
Hallelujah.
Na CEO ametupatia chance ya kuja kujenga hapa, tupate mahali ya kukaa.
Yes, thank you.
Alright.
We are so grateful for that.
So sir,
Thank you very much, sir. Now please walk
then
there.
Jeff and Kihenjo, once we choose the ticket number, we shall be announcing it from at the stage.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right. Then akisonga, akikuja kudrive kama inawaka, yanasongesha gari from here. So sir, Mr. Sagana, just yes, with the hand that is folded.
One is going as free.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sagana. Jeff.
Yes, my brother. Ufeneke, talk to me.
Zingine chini, zingine zimeanguka chini, angalia huko chini. Icio ciagwa cicokie thiini, cituranire na aria memoe.
We, umetuma
Ajechuka. Ni athira kamwe. Ni athira kamwe. Ni athira kamwe.
Sura.
Ngetu. Haya, ndio hajachukua hizo joka, hajachukua.
hivi ndio unatubanga tunapo kuiba chapati kwa jirani. Akina kamekimbia. What?
Ako hapa?
Face that side.
Face kama unaenda nyumbani?
Huyu anaweza enda.
Tuligere no. Na tukora wahata kuya tikiti yaku. Haya, katoke thie.
So let me stand over here because
Waingia huko.
This is what we're going to be presenting.
Yes.
This is the moment that we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen.
Coming live from a Thicker Groove channel, ladies and gentlemen. It is the Finsco Thanksgiving Sunday. Of course, handing out, of course, to the Finsco Grand Draw Lottery. And of course, we're telling you this is your choice of a place to stay. This is a choice of luxurious place to stay. Finsco Thicker Groove channel is the home that you need to live in, ladies and gentlemen. if Dr. Funeke has a piece of land here, then I don't know what you're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, my DJ, pump it up for me. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me so much pleasure, honor, gratitude to announce to you the ticket number that works away with the Master Daniel as the grand draw. My beautiful people, come on. Ticket number 0 0 7 7 9 9.
Where you can't
7
7.
Ticket number 0797.
Ticket number 0797.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, yeah!
Kuja hapa kwanza. Kuja hapa.
He just can't believe it.
Kuja huku. Kuja hapa.
This is your car.
Kuja huku.
Call them. Where's the client? Where's the client?
Mulete hapa kwanza.
Mr. Mashira, where are you? Mr. Mashira, where are you? Mr. Mashira, where are you? Mr. Mashira, where are you?
I am Mr. DJ. CEO Finsco Africa and the other directors, kujeni hapa kwa platform tupatiane
Mr. Mashira.
CEO, other directors, ako wapi? Washira, Madam Charles, nyote kujeni hapa.
Wakili Washira, where are you?
Wakili Washira, wherever you are.
Wakili Washira, where are you?
Kujeni nyote na CEO na the directors, wherever you are.
Bring him kwanza kwa stage.
Where is he?
Kwani huyu mwenye amekimbia
Washira kwa wapi?
Directors kujeni.
Washira wakili kwa wapi?
Jeff, mwenye amekimbia na mikono juu si
Wacha huyo ni director huyo. In the meantime, tupatie ngoma tumuingize hapo kwa stage. Kidogo tu. Let's first kwanza kuja hapa. Mr. Washira wakili, where are you?
Directors all the way to the podium.
Washira wakili, where are you? Where is he? Jeff, Joe, here he comes, huyu hapa. DJ patie mziki hapo, here he comes. This is the arena, yo! Are you ready? Let's go! Beautiful moment there.
On the stage.
Oh yes. How does it feel?
Kujeni hapa, kujeni kwa stage.
You feeling good?
Hapa tu.
Let's go. Oh my goodness!
Directors,
Here he is!
ladies and gentlemen.
CEO directors. Here he is! Are you ready? Rocket power! You're ready? Let's go! DJ.
Yes. The confirmation has been done by the PSLB.
Confirmation done.
The confirmation has been done, ladies and gentlemen. The ticket numbers actually match. And so, ladies and gentlemen, officially, I present to you the grand winner of a Master Daniel Finsco Africa.
Wait. Follow the leader. We go.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. We go.
Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
Come on.
Left. Down. Everybody now. Put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. And we go from left to right. Watch this.
We go.
Left and right.
Left and right.
Two more time. Left, right.
We go.
Right, left. Follow the leader.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. We go. Turn it, DJ.
Come on now, jump for the left.
We say jump on the left.
Jump for the left. Jump for the right.
One, two, go.
PSLB, kindly come and confirm the logbook.
Daktari. You see, there is a man here. He handles the customer and is asking, or rather his dream was to win a bicycle.
Wow. Wow.
That's how you carried him with a wow.
I need to change my friends because he's my friend. All right, so BSW wants to confirm, ladies and gentlemen.
To the winner, congratulations.